Hello and welcome to my shed. Today we have my own daily drive around the lift because it has a leaking coolant pipe. I patched it a week ago while I was waiting for this new one. It's this one. For this job you only need a couple tools like pliers, 2 different Torx bits and a way to lift your car. I'm using a lift since I have one, but you can of course use a jack and stands. I do have a jack here. One special tool you do need is a double Torx. I believe it's a 10. Yeah, size 10. Okay, first we need to take the air box out. It's pretty easy. It's only a Torx bolt there and 2 other Torx bolts. One is under here, you can maybe kind of see it there, and then another one here. And then it's only a clamp here and a connector for the map sensor. And then we can lift the whole thing out. Okay, let's do it. And now this thing lifts out. Just pull out this clip. You need to press this and then you can pull it out. And then get your pliers. I have these fancy ones. Now you can see the pipe. There it is. Next we'll unscrew this bolt right here, and then we'll take this coolant hose off this pipe. Now that the pipe is unattached from the top, let's go to the bottom. First, down here we need to take off this guard. Boom! Aha, and here is our offender. Not bad. Here it is. Now that is the pipe removed. You can now see my epic patching job that held up an entire week. Remember to transfer those plastic clips from the old pipe to the new one. Okay, now we're all done. Just remember to add coolant if the level has gone down. Subscribe to my channel and remember to add coolant to your vehicle so it no going down the coolant level. Yes, remember subscribing, very important, and also like video and share for every friend you have, if you have friends. Goodbye, very next time.